Great time to play some soccer, but what if we scaled it down a bit? Have you ever played foosball? Hey builders, Daniel from Toybox here, and that's right. Today, we're making the Foosball Play Pack. Foosball is a tabletop game where each player controls figures attached to a rod and tries to score in their opponent's goal. But let's make our own 3D printed foosball. Challenge your friends, have a championship, and create your own foosball team flag with the Foosball Play Pack. Let's get kicking. Let's see what's inside your play pack. We've got 4 boards, 1 soccer ball, and 2 dowels. And that's all we need to make our foosball table. Let me show you how to customize your pieces in the creator space. Click on Custom Foosball Player to get started. From there, you can choose a custom head, body, and legs. What unique and fun player will you come up with? Pick a color, name your player, and get printing. Let me show you how to build your foosball table. First, carefully punch out all the board pieces. Make sure to punch out the little holes too. Now, let's start building our foosball table. Start by attaching the sides to the field by matching the letters together. Do this on the other half of the field as well. Then, attach the 2 halves together. Next, add the end pieces so the ball stays inside your field, and you can keep score. Now, let's add some printed pieces. Start by attaching the dowel holders into the holes on the sides. Use the bolts to secure them in place. They screw in just like regular screws. Do this for all 4. Next, slide the dowel through one end, slide on 2 players, and then slide the dowel through the other end. Attach the handle using a bolt to secure it. Do the same thing on the other side. Now let's add the goal. Attach the goal pieces together and slide it onto your board. Do this for the other side. Don't forget to add the score counters. They slide on top and allow you to keep score by moving it up each time you score a goal. Now you're ready to rumble. Challenge your friends, keep score and see who wins. You can also try designing your own custom foosball team flag. Will you be the foosball champion? What fun games will you try? I can't wait to see what fun characters you create and what games you play with your Foosball Play Pack.